Today I'm going to show you how to make rice in an Instant Pot. So you're going to need an Instant Pot, a measuring cup, a strainer or colander, and of course rice. So first you put in your desired amount of rice. I'm going to put 4 cups. Alright, that looks about right. Now we're going to put this into your strainer. Once you have your rice in the strainer, we're going to wash it out. Rinsing your rice is super important because it just makes the whole texture better, and it has a bunch of rice like powder on there. I'm not exactly sure what it is. If you know, then comment, but just rinse it till you see no more white coming out. You also can save the rice water. They say it's good for your hair. I'm not sure, but I'm just gonna rinse it. Once you rinsed your rice, you can just put it straight into your Instant Pot. This could be a little messy, so be careful. Now you're gonna take an equal part of water and put it into the Instant Pot. So you can use any amount that you want. You can use 1 cup, 2 cups, 3 cups, 4 cups. Just remember it's gonna grow more than that because rice expands. But you can just literally use any amount you want and just put the same amount of water. And I actually add a bit more water than 4 cups because I like my rice to be more soft and sticky. Now that you put in the rice and the water, we're gonna add some ingredients to make it taste really good. So you're just gonna add some salt. And I would add olive oil, but I don't have it now, so I'm just adding some vegetable oil. Just a little bit of that. Now put on your lid and lock it. Now make sure that your vent is closed. Now you're gonna turn on your Instant Pot and just press rice. And I usually just turn off this keep warm because I'm gonna just get it right after I cook it. Now you're just gonna wait the amount of time that it says on here. One important thing to remember is to not open the Instant Pot when that red button is up. That means there's a lot of pressure in there, and if you try to open it, you could get really burned. So just be patient, wait for the Instant Pot to do its job, and this timing could change, but just wait until it beeps. Okay, so the Instant Pot just beeped at me, and it says off. I opened the vent. Be careful because this could splatter, and it's very hot. Now the vent has already vented all the pressure out, and you could tell my little red button is down, which means it's safe to open it. And here we have our beautiful rice, and it's too steamy for me to put my camera over it. Nice and sticky like I like it. Could also let this wait a little bit. If this video helped you, press like and subscribe. I hope it helped. You could comment any other ways that you make rice.